Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to show you this new function which is realistic sunlight, which is this one. Alright, realistic sunlight, universal space. So it's more like for balance, I think, between outside and inside. Alright, then realistic light space. So yeah, you can see the description here. Alright, and then there is also this one, realistic light for the dark space. Yeah. So there are four types of this new realistic light. Okay. Then for the natural 2.0, natural and warm light is from V4 one. Alright. So it's the same thing. Okay. So for realistic sunlight, okay, I'm gonna show you guys the four difference. Alright. So this is for the realistic sunlight. When you press apply, it will look something like this. Okay. Then after that, I will choose 4K, enhance, show you guys the difference. Okay. Okay, next we have universal space. So setting up the light. Okay, so as you can see the description on top, it says also not recommend for balcony. Okay, so this is for the universal. Right, next we're going to have the light space. Okay, this is for the light space. And right, next we have realistic dark space. All right, apply. Okay, this is for dark space. After I show you guys, once I finish render, I will show you guys the image of the four differences. Okay, after realistic sunlight, okay, see the sunlight here. Recommend template color correction is enabled by default. Okay, if you have issue render lighting universal, lighting light space, and lighting dark space. So remember to come to this one, advanced, and turn off this color correction. Okay. Okay, after our render, so this is the, the sunlight, the realistic sunlight without anything, the universal, which is balance between light and dark. This is for the light space, so anything with light, you will slightly make it dark or something like that. So this is for dark space. Since now I'm not doing dark, so that's why you can't really balance it out. Okay, so the images will be look something like this. So this is for the sunlight, sunlight universal. Okay, then the light space and dark space. Right, this is the end result. Okay, hit the like button and share. Okay, and remember to subscribe. Okay, see you next time. Bye.